Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to English Quizly channel. Today we are going to do a video on adjectives. So, what are adjectives? Imagine you have a box filled with different colored crayons. Okay? A box filled with different colored crayons. Each crayon has a special name that tells us that what color it is. Okay? For example, there are a red crayon, a blue crayon, a yellow crayon, a brown crayon, etc. Okay? These are the special names. These special names are called adjectives. Okay? So, adjectives are like crayons for your words. They help us to describe things in more detail. Okay? They tell us what something looks like or what something sounds like, okay, then feels like or smells like or even tastes like, okay. And I will explain with a few more examples so that you can understand clearly. In this example, the playful dog chased the squirrel up the tall tree. The playful dog chased the squirrel up the tall tree. Here, the playful and tall are the adjectives. Okay? Playful. This adjective describes the dog's personality. Okay? It suggests that the dog is energetic, fun loving, and enjoys playing. Okay? As we already learned that adjectives are like crayons for the words. They help us to describe the things in more detail. In this way, the adjectives playful describes the dog's personality. Okay? And the next adjective is tall. And this adjective describes the tree's height, such as the tall tree. It suggests that the tree is large and extends far upwards. Okay? Let's take another example. The muddy car drove through the busy street. In this sentence, the adjectives are muddy and busy. Okay? Why muddy and busy are the adjectives in this sentence? Because muddy describes the car's condition. It suggests that the car is covered in mud, possibly from driving on a dirt road or through a muddy area. Okay? And the next adjective is busy. And the busy word describes the activity level of the street. It suggests that there is a lot of traffic and people moving around. Okay? The happy children laughed and played on the green playground. In this sentence, the word happy and green are the adjectives. The word happy describes the children's mood. It suggests that the children are cheerful, joyful, and content. And the word green describes the color of the playground. It suggests that the playground is covered in grass or other green surfaces. That's why the green is the adjective in this sentence. Okay? So, adjectives are like the colorful sprinkles on top of your ice cream. They make your words more interesting and descriptive, just like sprinkles make your ice cream more delicious and fun. Okay, so I hope you got an idea about adjectives. So let's take some more examples of adjectives. The cat sat on the furry mat. The brown dog barked at the squirrel. The bright sun shone brightly in the sky. The sweet taste of the chocolate was amazing. The big house was on the hill. The colorful flowers were blooming in the garden. The delicious smell of the soup made mouth-wateringly savory and inviting. The happy children were playing in the park. The fast car was driving down the road. The silky touch of the silk fabric was smooth and soft, luxuriously like a cate's. The educational book was full of information. The tasty food was delicious. The sunny weather was beautiful today. The calming music was very soothing. The quiet sound of the rain was calming and soothing, rhythmically like a lullaby. The beautiful poem was very moving. The graceful dance was very elegant. The inspiring speech was very motivational. The brilliant scientist made a groundbreaking discovery. The talented athlete won a gold medal in the Olympics. The grey sky was filled with clouds. The fast river flowed through the valley. The dense forest was full of tall trees. The small bird sang a beautiful song. The proud feeling of accomplishment was worth all the hard work. The sweet taste of the chocolate was amazing. The savory smell of the soup made my mouth water. The silky touch of the silk fabric was smooth and soft. The rhythmic sound of the rain was calming and soothing. The proud feeling of accomplishment was worth all the hard work. The happy puppy was wagging its tail excitedly. The soft kitten was curled up on the couch, fast asleep. The wise old man had a kind smile on his face. The vibrant young woman was full of energy and enthusiasm. The dedicated teacher was passionate about her subject. The talented artist created beautiful paintings that captured the essence of nature. The gifted musician played with the skill and emotion that it brought tears to my eyes. The insightful writer had a unique voice and a knack for telling stories. The grey sky was filled with cloudy clouds. The fast river flowed through the valley, swiftly over rocks and boulders. The dense forest was full of green trees. The small bird sang a beautiful song, its voice sweetly clear and melodious. The purple flower was the most fragrant in the garden. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.